Good morning, third graders. Today we're going to play a little game. Now, it's going to be a tad different right now because I'm going to be playing against myself. But when you play this game, you can play against your older brother, or your older sister, or your little brother or little sister, or anyone that knows multiplication tables, or maybe you could teach them their multiplication tables. You could also stop in your teacher's office hours someday next week and play against them. So what you need is at least two either coins or paper clips or even just tiny pieces of ripped paper that are going to be your markers for your factors down at the bottom, and then two different colored crayons, pencils, markers, whatever you have available. And if you don't have this in your packet, then go ahead and make a chart, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that you have numbers from 1 to 81 in this order. So the object of the game today is for us to get 4 in a row. So kind of think of Connect 4 in your head, except we are going to be using our factors, which are in two numbers that we multiply together, to get our product up top. So I'm going to start, and I will tell you when I'm switching people. So I am going to start with factors 1 and 3. So I'm going to have a piece of paper beside me, or you can do it in your head, but make sure you check yourself because you want to make sure you're right. So I know in my head that 1 times 3 is 3. So I am going to, you're going to color in your circle. I'm not going to color mine in. I'm just going to put a circle over mine, a green circle. So now I'm moving on to player 2, which is going to be the blue triangles. So I move just one of my factors. So one number stays the same and one number changes. So I get to decide that. I'm going to move the 3 to 6. And I know that 1 times 6 is 6 because anything times itself is the number. Okay, so then I'm going to move back to the green circles. I want to get 3 in a row, so I either need to go three more added to my 1. So I need to either go for this way or go for this way. So I'm trying to strategize in my head and see which numbers are going to give me this. So I know this is at 1 and I know this is at 6. I can only move 1. I'm going to move it to 9 because I know that 1 times 9 gives me 9. So now I'm moving to player 2. They get to move one of these. I'm going to move it to 5. I'm going to move it to 4 actually. And 1 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4, excuse me. Then I'm going to move back to my green circle. And I know that I need to kind of think in my head, what numbers multiplied together give me 18 or 28? If I can't think of one, I can absolutely choose a different number. So I know that 4 times 7 equals 28. So I'm almost there. Then it's the blue triangle's turn. I am going to do 4 times 3 to give me 12. Now, green circle time. I am going to move 3 times, let's do 3 times 5, which will give me 15. Blue triangle time, I'm going to move 5 times 2 is going to give me 10. And then it's back to my green circle. 2 times 9 is going to give me 18. And And now I've made a row, and so the game is over, and you can start over. So stop in your teacher's office hours today, or play with a friend or a cousin or a neighbor, or teach your mom and dad. Um, and that's all we have for today. Have a great day.